Ever feel like your car, RV, or camping rig just doesn't have enough space? That propane tank takes up a huge chunk of it, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to free up all that space without sacrificing safety or accessibility? Stick around, because today I'll show you how I designed and built a propane tank mount that maximizes storage, making every inch count in your compact setup. Hi, my name is Rata Sochinda, and in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how I brought this propane tank mount to life. Let's dive into how and why I designed it the way I did. First things first, let's jump into CAD, and in this case, I use Solidworks to sketch out the concepts and get into the nitty-gritty details. Let me walk you through my thought process here. So aesthetically, I wanted something that really feels like it belongs outdoor. So I went with the Overlanding inspired Molly panel theme. For the material, I chose to go with aluminum. It's light, strong, and durable. Plus, it won't rust like steel, so it can handle the elements without any issues. Next, I added an adjustable latch. Why? Well, this helps keep the tank nice and secure. Plus, I made sure it has a spot for a lock, so you don't have to worry about your tank walking off. The best part is, swapping out tanks or refueling is quick and easy, saving you time when you're on the go. To test if this would actually work, I had to build a prototype. Luckily for me, I just had received my Bambulabs 3D printer. I thought, why not 3D print a full-scale version? And I'm so glad I did, because it showed me a few areas that I needed some tweaks. Here was my first mock-up. It's not as sturdy as I wanted it, and you can see this tab is a little bit too high. After learning from my first print, I made some adjustments and printed a second version. This one was way better. It's more rigid from the previous design, and I think it had a lot to do with these supports here that wrap around the propane tank. I guess you can say they act as a support rib that would make the tank mount stronger. So I also added them to the swing arm as well. With the second print, I also wanted to test out the latch to see how it felt with different 5-pound propane tanks. Everything was coming together. Next was to verify the bend sequence. To see a simulation, I dropped the form file into Oshcut, a free quoting software. The simulation wasn't perfect because it references their press brake machine and tooling, but it would at least point me in the right direction to see if this was even feasible with my in-house press brake. Once I was satisfied with the CAD, the 3D print, and the simulation, I sent the design out to be laser cut from 5052 aluminum. Watching the laser cutting in action is like magic to me. It reminds me of those How It's Made shows I loved watching as a kid. After getting the pieces cut, bending was next. At this point, doubt started to creep in. Could I even pull the bending off with my Langmuir press brake? This isn't your typical 90-degree 2-bent part. For example, this part needed 11 bends. It was a make or break moment if the angles weren't just right. Especially since this mount has 44 bends in total. But here's why. Bends help make the mount stronger. It reduces the number of unique parts I need to make, and it cuts down on the post work needed like welding. Well, you can see it took me a few tries. With every failed bend, got me closer to the right one. The measured angles started to match the CAD model. Holes began to line up with one another. After a few tweaks on the bending sequence, it started to all come together. Yes. Now it's time to assemble everything. Since I don't have a perfect setup for assembly, I use a cheap moving blanket and wrap that over my welding table to protect the parts. To prevent scratches when the propane tank is actually installed, I add this rubber trim seal to the mount where the tank makes contact. Now let's talk about the features of this propane tank mount. This mount is designed to work with 5-pound propane tanks, including brands like Flame King and Icknick. It'll probably work with others as long as they're similar in size. The latch is stainless steel, and it's padlocked ready for added security. To adjust the tension, just turn the latch clockwise. It's important to feel a slight resistance when you close it. Adjust until it's just right for your tank. So there you have it. A propane tank mount to help keep your tank secured, organized, and easily accessible. Whether this is your weekend overlanding rig or RV, my hope is that the mount saves you space, reduces hassle, and helps make your camping experience more enjoyable. If you're interested in getting one for your rig, be sure to check out my website. Link is in the description. In the near future, I do plan to offer mounts to hold a 10-pound and 20-pound propane tanks, perfect for RVs and trailers. Now, if you have a mount you want to see me make, drop me a suggestion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more projects coming your way. Now, time to get back to work. See you in the next one.